It is 10:30. These took me 3 hours. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is October 1st, my favorite month ever. Halloween is about to begin, and since I need to get in the spooky mood, I'm going to do some Halloween nails today. I saw on TikTok that this girl did some haunted mansion nails. I'm gonna link her in the description below. I think her name was or her account was the Nail Babe, and I really love the design. She used a lot of stamps in it, so I ordered a stamp kit last night. I'm gonna unbox that with you guys and we'll figure out together how to use it. I don't think I've used stamps since I was like 14. So let's just get started with the video. So this is a kit I got from Amazon. It looks like a fancy way to write beauty, but I'll add a link in the description if anyone wants to check it out. So right when you open the box, at the top are a bunch of gel pens. I took out the black one because I knew I was going to be using black. There's a bunch in there, I can't remember what colors. I only ended up using black and white. Next in there is the actual nail stamp and the scraper. Next is all the nail stamps, and there were a lot. I didn't get around to counting them, but trust me, there's a lot in there. They had Halloween ones, Christmas ones, summer ones, lace ones, checkered print ones, which worked out great for me because I needed Halloween, lace, and checkered ones. Yeah, so that's basically what's inside this little kit. I also realized after you're supposed to peel this blue part off. My nails are chopped, so we're gonna be starting with the prep. I didn't show me actually putting the nails on because sometimes I do it wrong and I don't want to be held liable by telling you guys that this is the right way. So what you see me doing here, yeah, this is what you're not going to do. I should have watched a video on how to use a stamp before I actually did, instead of just spraying all that little gel on there and creating a monstrosity.
Nope.
After a couple tries, I did get it right. The trick was to not put that much gel on there. I actually wasn't a fan of this whole stamping kit or just stamping in general because I felt like everything I did was wrong. Here's another example. One thing I also didn't like about using a stamp was it stained my skin, and you're probably gonna notice that throughout the video that around my cuticle area it stays black from the gel polish. I think you can get something to put around it, but this kit didn't have it, which I think sucked. It should have, because I don't really know what the alternative is to make it not stick to your skin. Now in this one, we're just creating a small little cat, so I just use a dotting tool for the head and the ears, and then you just make a little triangle for the body and make a little S for the tail. My phone also ended up dying, so in that time I went over the checkered print with just my brush. Now on this nail we're going to be drawing a bat. I did not like how this turned out, so off camera I fixed it a little bit, but I just made a little head the same way I did the cats, and then added a little body, and then I tried to do like a V at the top and then like a W at the bottom. I don't know what I was doing. Then you also want to outline every circle you make. I forgot to do that on the cat one, like show you guys. But yeah, so I just went with a black liner and did that. And now we're going on to the ring finger where we're making a ghost. So the original artist does isolated chrome on the borders, but I did not know how to do that. I don't know how to use chrome in general, so I just mixed chrome with top coat, and I used a brush to paint. Now the ring finger and the thumb are supposed to be a tortoise shell print, but I also don't know how to do that, so I just mixed like a light brown with top coat to create a jelly effect. I know you can buy jelly nail polish, but I spent like $30 on the stamping kit and I didn't want to spend any more money. And then I just took a brown while the polish was still wet. I didn't cure it, and I just made some dots, and then I got a brush and with some black, and I just kind of dotted that around a little bit. Then I cured that and I added a black circle. This thumb ended up being my favorite. So I made the web by hand. I know in the original one the girl used a stamp, but I was over the stamp at this point, so I just kind of winged how to do a web. Then I actually don't remember if there was supposed to be a spider inside the thumb, but I just did it anyway, so I just had 2 dots and then I added 4 legs on each side. For the pinky, I just did a pumpkin, so I put 2 dots next to each other so it looks like a little butt, and then you just kind of fix it up with your brush. I also mixed a white and an orange for this part, and then I made a little stem, and then I just kind of outlined the pumpkin and added lines.
Hey, it's me.